welcome to the vlog. We've just come out of a hotel and we're off to the centre of Florence. What we're going to do, however, is a bit of a mystery at the moment. What do you want to do? Do you want to go to some gardens? It's along here somewhere. Amazing, we've actually found a park. I think that was some sort of office garden by the look of it. Let's try and find another garden where we can relax more in. Okay, here's a more relaxing park. Well, there's not much in it, but there are people relaxing. But there's somebody sitting down over there, next to this rock. Very attractive. Let's see where this mystery path takes us to. There's a school there, and then here is the river. We'll just head onto that bridge, I think. Where are you, Miles? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Right, time to head back to the hotel, get our luggage and head to Rome by train. We've got our luggage, time to leave Florence. sharing? Iya. Banget gitu. Tahu?
No, bisa gitu.
Attira un altro treno in sosta in corrispondenza del Faraone.
Okay, we're in Rome now and we're looking for a bus to get to our hotel. Okay, after a very long journey on the bus, we've arrived somewhere near the hotel. And there it is at last, the Meta Palace. Hooray! Room 402, and that's ours. That's the shower in there, and that's the bathroom. And we've got another balcony out here. Very nice. Okay, time to go and get some traditional Italian food. That is pizza. Conad supermarket and got 2 Red Bulls for €3. That is so cheap compared to the rest of the city. Time to get pizza from Pony Pizza. Hooray, we got our pizza at last. Now all we've got to do is find our way back to the hotel and we can eat. And here we are. So let's see what we've got. That's ham pizza. And that's mushroom and cheese pizza. Mmm. Well, night is fast approaching. Well, I'm going to settle down and eat. So that's all from me for today. See you later.